He's sticking his tongue out.
I'm gonna try to make mine fart again. Hopefully it farts. Did I get it? Oh God, it's eating it. Looks like he's eating the... No. Funny thing. What? It doesn't like me.
Oh.
Black.
Oh, Chad.
That's sad.
Ready? Mine doesn't like me.
Apparently yours isn't as gassy as
No, I have
Chad.
to be actually blowing in like this. Or like Chad.
You better go check your britches after that one. Oh. I think Chad's got it down. Oh.
That's it.
I know.
Mine makes high-pitched squeaking. No.
Ah.
See? High-pitched squeaking. Oh.
Egg in one shot. Mommy, can I eat this?
Oh. Yes.
Mommy, can I eat these?
Now that one was, geez, that was a wet one. Oh.
But it doesn't like me anymore. It likes me.
Yeah. Oh, babe.
I'm having fun with this.
Yeah, he is. That's like it's like current help. Oh.
Time to restart, Chad. You're all out of gas.
I put mine back in.
What an unusual Easter year 2013.
I'm having fun with this.
Yeah.
Look at
You do one finger.
Mom, listen to what happens when I push it in, and then when I pull it out. It like makes a farting noise.
Oh, too much. Too funny.
Yeah. Too funny.
So, Mommy, maybe tonight was